This will be the elevator at the Tower Health Medical Office Building, Bern Township, Pennsylvania. Here at the second floor. One. Here we're back at the first floor, run one out. Go up to 2 one more time. Just your typical modern office building elevator, nothing too fancy. Although this is one of the last Schindler 330A installed I've encountered, this one being from 2019. Back down to 1. Back at 1. What I find interesting here is that they are HT vandal resistant fixtures inside, but they're HT premium fixtures on the outside.